Today we're installing the JagerWerks +5 magazine extension onto a Glock 17 OEM mag. Remove the base plate off of the magazine. Careful the spring and retainer inside. Remove the OEM spring and magazine follower. Set those aside. So now you're left with the Glock 17 mag, shell, and the follower itself. Next, you'll take the 12 coil spring that's provided with the +5 magazine extension. You'll take that and install it right into the OEM mag. Then take your +5 magazine extension, place it over the bottom of the spring. Apply pressure to the spring, bring the magazine extension to the front of the mag, slip it over top of the lips on both sides, and firmly press into place. And that is your installation of the JagerWerks +5 magazine extension.